After gutters are installed, you will need to install the gutter downspout. First, cut an X the size of the downspout where you would like that located, preferably between two high ribs on the wall sheeting, and fold down each of the tabs. Then you will need to measure the exact height of the downspout. In this case, we want the bottom edge of the downspout to line up with the bottom edge of the sheeting. After cutting the downspout to the required length, install the downspout, attaching the downspout with trim screws to the tabs from the hole in the gutter. Then you must install the downspout strap. This should be installed so that the gutter will be plumb. Ensuring that the strap is directly below the hole in the gutter, install using 2 trim screws. Moving the gutter into position, ensure that it is plumb and secure to downspout strap using either trim screws or pop rivets.